Alright guys, this is on the flood map right now. On the right we have no flooding, attention, minor flooding, major flooding, and minor flooding, major or minor or major flooding, either way. So right now this is we're at Franklin County, and Wilmington just covers this entire area, including Illinois and downs of Kentucky. So, depending on the area, right now we're not no near of flood danger right now. So the only thing, so the reason why there's some flood warnings is because there's some in my county. So, for example, for the Scioto River and Frank Road, and I believe on April 7th, there was some I think an attention flooding, and then it dropped down to, well, no flooding at all. It spiked up a little bit, and then it dropped, and then it will go down as futured. Now, if we go back to, I think back in April 6th, this is where the curve is. So that's where it peaked between April until April 9th, which is Wednesday. And then nothing really happened because there was some, I don't know, maybe some drainage or maybe some here and there rain. So, and over here, which we have some minor flooding that we have, obviously. So yeah, pretty much we have these spots. The blue is well, no flooding. More likely in the gray is out of service, or no water flow, or no data found. Let me give you guys as an example. I'll zoom out. We have some right here, and these are the kind of things we don't want to see. If you are suffering from flooding issues, well, I'm sorry about that. It's publicly viewed. Ups in Cleveland covers as well as this. Again, some are out of service because of technical issues, because they're connected to something. Again, this is Wilmington's coverage area, and I believe if I go back to the main map, and then we will go to Franklin, to the Wilmington office, and go. If we go this way, we're in Pennsylvania, coverage area, which we went to a park, which we went. I might find a video of me recording of the station ID, but like I said, flooding is very serious, and as well as don't turn around, don't drown, either way. So yeah, do not drive through flood roadways, and basically we're in somewhere in this area over here, and we're no danger of flooding. So we pretty much having great great drainage for our waters. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy this little video that I thought I'd show you why there was some flood warnings on the CGN. So at this time, we don't have any weather alerts at this time, but tomorrow we might have maybe some major storms, maybe just some nuisance storms. As I'm recording this video, it's currently 4/13. That's the current day of month right now. Anyway, I'll see y'all.